Hi! Today we're taking you from Da Nang to Hoi An, and we will show you things that you shouldn't miss doing. If you would like to see more of our adventures, please remember to like our video and to subscribe to our channel. We travelled on rented scooters to Hoi An, and this was only a 40-minute ride. On the way there or back, you have to stop at the various statue factories. We got to Hoi An early and we couldn't book in at the accommodation before 2, so we stopped at the cozy corner to have a delicious breakfast, and after we had a tan and swim on the beautiful beach, and we drank a cold coconut drink straight from the source. We walked the streets and alleyways and admired the plants and flowers. This is where I saw a helenconia for the first time in my life. Our accommodation, Sunkist Paddy, what a cute name, has stunning views over the rice paddies, parking for our scooters, bicycles we could use free of charge, a restaurant, beautiful pool, and thank goodness the aircons worked very well. Interesting fact, Hoi An's ancient town has been registered as a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1999 because it's exceptionally well preserved, a living example of the Southeast Asian trading port. Set aside a full day for Cham Island. The trip was so worth it. It's easy to book online. You can find the link in the description below. We took a speedboat to the island so we could spend more time on the island and in the water. Our guide was very knowledgeable and a great entertainer, and even with his limited English, he could tell us everything we wanted to know about the island and surrounds. Some good advice: check the underwater cell phone bags you purchase from the vendors. Ours leaked and the phone bag was filled with water while we were trying to take photos and videos of the fish. And our one cell phone was basically useless for the rest of the holiday. Our lunch, included in your ticket, was a wonderful spread of delicious seafood. The hardest part of the coconut boat ride was not overturning it when we got in or out. The ride through the dense coconut forest was peaceful and busy all at the same time. Skilled men performed impressive maneuvers, including high-speed spins in the water. You hear the Gangnam Style song and other lively music all over as you rode along. We called a taxi to take us to the night market and drove past all these shops. It feels like their shops are open 24/7 in Vietnam. Hoi An is known for all these shops where you can have suits and other clothes made for a very reasonable rate. The people here are known for their excellent seamstress and tailor skills. Walking in Hoi An is an amazing experience, taking in the nightlife, the smell, eating food you would otherwise not get to eat. I remember buying extras of these soft white balls because they were so delicious, but afterwards I could not find them anywhere again. So if you ever see them in the streets of Hoi An, please get me some. Hoi An has beautiful art shops, stores where you can buy masks, cup and plates made from bamboo, hand-weave baskets, and of course, you could go for a course to make the beautiful Vietnamese lanterns. This could be a wonderful hobby, and there are many places that offers to teach you this skill. We recommend when you get hungry to go and have a bite at Seven Bridges restaurant. The food is great, atmosphere fantastic, decor authentic, and their craft beer is excellent. Experience the magical, cheerful atmosphere of the Hoai River at night by joining a lantern boat ride. Make a wish by releasing a floating lantern and enjoy the scenic views of the town. I was assured that all the papers are cleaned up from the river every night. We were lucky that our stay offered bicycles for us to use at no additional charge, and it's quite the experience to paddle through the rice paddies and see the huge water buffalo. The only way to end this video will have to be by getting cozy in one of the comfy chairs or beds at the Roving Chill House restaurant and sunset bar and watching the beautiful Vietnam sunset. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe.